Hello everyone and welcome to #Wow Wellness on Wednesdays. I'm Dr. Wade and each week I will take just 1 minute to give you the most important facts you need to know about a health or wellness topic. And we are in, I think, part 3 of water. Water is such an important topic, but by special request covering alkaline water today. Okay, starting the timer. Now, alkaline water. The ionization scale rates substances from 0 to 14, with 7 in the middle being neutral. And neutral is typically tap water, but it's also about the range where your blood runs in terms of acidity. On one end of the scale, the lower end is acid, so anything less than 7. The upper end of the scale is alkaline, anything greater than 7. And generally, alkaline water for the purposes of drinking is in the range of 8 to 9. Now, you may have heard really amazing claims of benefits around alkaline water, but the truth is that there is very little research with small groups of study patients around a couple of really important benefits. So alkaline water can be helpful for blood pressure, for balancing blood sugar. It has a positive effect on cholesterol levels. Alkaline water can be helpful for slowing down bone loss, and alkaline water can also help to increase oxygen delivery. Generally speaking, when you're paying more money, I ran out already. When you're paying more money for your water, you tend to drink more of the water, and so there is also some increased hydration with alkaline water. It's also great for acid reflux. Now, some of the potential negatives or cons for alkaline water, it might interfere with proper digestion and absorption of nutrients because you're actually changing acidity in the stomach, and you do need stomach acid in order to help to absorb certain nutrients. That acid is also important to help with killing off some types of bacteria and other infectious particles. Now, you can get alkaline water naturally from spring water, meaning the water ran over actual rocks, or it can be produced by electrolysis. You can get, I got all tied up on that word. You can get machines that sit on your tabletop. You can get larger machines that go under your counter in terms of making your own alkaline water, but you can also buy it bottled already. And we've talked about bottled water before. But a really quick DIY, that's backwards. DIY tip is to just squeeze some fresh lemon or lime in the water that you are drinking, and that alone can help you to make alkaline water. All right, thanks so much for watching. I will post some comments, and it's good to be back again. I'm telling you, you miss 1 week and you get all conflummoxed. Thanks for watching.